Digging projects have a lot of moving parts. There are permits to obtain, equipment to coordinate, crews to manage, all on an unforgiving schedule. So we understand your frustrations when an 811 locate is delayed, and we're asking for your help to help us prevent it from happening. You see, the damage prevention industry also has many moving parts. And if everyone involved can do a little fine-tuning to make their area of responsibility more efficient, the entire 811 system will be able to function like a well-oiled machine. Here are some ways excavators like you can help. First, provide accurate and detailed information when starting a ticket. Be specific about the dig site and only request marks where the proposed excavation work is taking place. Consider providing GPS coordinates, whitelining the proposed site, and identifying any relevant landmarks. This critical information helps narrow down the scope of work, so locators can focus on marking what's really needed for each project and avoid spending time on unnecessary marks. Providing good contact information sounds obvious, but to avoid delays, provide the contact information for someone who is on site or familiar with the dig site and schedule. Make sure to provide an accurate description of the work being performed. Providing more detail enables locators to address internal concerns in advance, arrive better prepared, and get straight to business. In addition to improving the quality of information you provide, we also ask that you manage the quantity of your requests. It's important that you request utility locates with sufficient notice to be marked, but not more than you can reasonably begin within the life of the ticket. Too many tickets at once can put a strain on the system and keep locators from getting to more time-sensitive sites. So avoid requesting backup sites to be marked or creating just-in-case tickets. Active tickets should match the actual schedule of the work being performed and follow the requirements in your state dig law. Also, please avoid locate renewals and remarks on jobs that have been completed. Often, locate requests are updated or refreshed long after work has been finished. This causes locators to spend time marking inactive job sites when they could be marking active ones. We thank you in advance for adopting the suggestions we've reviewed today. And rest assured, we're also asking other groups in the damage prevention industry to do their part to help as well. Because the 811 system can only work efficiently when we all work together. For more information or to provide feedback, visit call811.com/excavator.